The investigation into the shocking car explosion near Delhi's Red Fort is now in full swing. Top security agencies are involved in uncovering what exactly caused the deadly blast. The early forensic findings have raised serious questions. The victims did not have pallet or puncture wounds, which are usually found in a typical bomb explosion. This means investigators are also exploring other possible causes, such as mechanical failure, a chemical reaction, or a different kind of explosive. A team of forensic experts has collected samples from the site, including burned car parts, soil, and debris. These will be tested to identify what triggered the explosion. CCTV footage from the area has been analyzed frame by frame to see who was near the vehicle moments before the blast. One person, the original owner of the Hyundai i20 car involved, has been detained for questioning. Officials are also taking the case very seriously because the explosion took place just hours after a major terror module was bursted, in which authorities recovered nearly 2,900 kilograms of explosives. Because of this coincidence, they are not ruling out a terror angle, though no concrete link has been yet confirmed. For now, Delhi remains on high alert. Security checks have been strengthened at metro stations, crowded markets, and important landmarks. The public has been urged to stay calm and avoid spreading unverified information online. The explosion occurred on Monday evening between 6:50 and 7 pm at a busy traffic signal on Subhash Marg. A Hyundai i20 car stopped at the signal suddenly exploded. The blast was so powerful that nearby vehicles, including e-rickshaws and other cars, were badly damaged or caught fire. Firefighters and police reached the scene within minutes. It took nearly half an hour for fire engines to completely extinguish the flames. When the smoke cleared, the car was nothing more than a burnt shell, and the street was covered with debris and twisted metal. Witnesses described a horrifying scene. Some said they heard a huge bang and saw a ball of fire shoot up into the air. Others said the sky turned red and the blast shook nearby buildings. Many bystanders rushed to help the injured before emergency teams arrived. Ambulances then carried victims to nearby hospitals. For now, Delhi stays on high alert.